Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Moriah Elizabeth's rainbow cake. So let's get started. To draw this pretty rainbow cake by Moriah, let's first start by drawing the clouds. So I'm going to come right here and create a fluffy round cloud. So I'm just going to put in a bunch of curves to create this little round shape right here. So maybe one more. It doesn't really matter. You just want to create this fluffy, roundish, ovalish shape. And then let's come to the other side, not too far apart, just a little bit, and we're going to create the other side. So just another cloud about the same size. And once again, just have fun with this drawing. And maybe another one. There, I got two little fluffy clouds in, and then from there I'm going to come to this right here in between the two clouds and draw a curve. So this is going to be the bottom of my rainbow, and then I'm going to come, say about right here, and I'm going to create a big curve for the top of the rainbow. So I'm just going to come about right here. So I just make sure my center, I know my center is about right there, so that's my highest point. So about right there is my highest point, and then I'm going to start to come down. So we're just creating this curve for our rainbow and come down there. Okay, so then from there, let's come in and draw the stripes on the rainbow. So there's 6 colors on this rainbow right here on Moriah's cake. So I'm going to come to the center just to make it a little bit easier. So just find your center, say about right here in between. So then I know that's kind of where the center band is going to be. So I'm just going to use that as my guide. But right there to create my center curve. Just an approximate, just makes it a little bit easier to draw your stripes. Okay, so this is my center stripe. Now I just make 3 in here. So it just makes it a little bit easier. And 1 here. And so same thing, creating 3 curves. And 1 more. Oh, okay, there. There, I got my rainbow in. Now to draw the cake. So, let's say about right here, I'm going to start, and let's drag this point across. So we're in the same area on the other side, about right there. And from here, I'm going to create a curve. So this is going to be the beginning of my cake. So let's do the same thing on the other side. So I have that curve. So approximate. Same thing on the other side, and then from there, let's come and draw this side first. We're going to bring in this curve on this side, and then I'm going to start to drizzle. So as I come in here, I'm just going to go with my first drizzle, and then let's come back to this side. So on this side, it doesn't come in as much, it's just more right on the side of the cake. So right here, I'm just going to come in a little bit and then start to drizzle. So that's the difference on this side compared to that side. So then from there, now that we have the 2 on the side, we can go ahead and just draw all the drizzles in between. So let's go ahead and do that. And as I draw this, I'm just aware of where this curve is, and all my drizzles are kind of going to be at a curve coming back to here. So I just want to be aware that I won't go above too high up here, but all about the same area right here. So I'm just kind of following her cake. So this one right here is very long. Come back up. A shorter one, come back up. And another one. And up. Something like that. So as you can see, all my curves right here, these points are kind of at a curve and doesn't go above this curve right here. So just be aware of that when you're drawing your drizzle. Then from there, let's come in a little bit. So about right here, and we're going to start to draw the cake. So on this side, it's pretty much flush to the cake. So I'm just going to come this side and draw a straight line. And on this side, so the icing is coming right here. Just make sure I'm about the same level. So then from there, I'm going to go ahead and start to round off the bottom of my cake. So I'm going to go back and forth. So just kind of look at both sides and do the same thing on both sides. Then from there, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a deep curve. So being aware of my center, so about right here would be my lowest point. About right there, and then I can start to go back up. It's very tricky when you're drawing big. Okay, so something like that. And then from there, let's go ahead and draw the stripes inside for the different colors. So on this part of the cake, there's only 5 different colors. So no, there's 2. I'm just gonna start, say right here, kind of like in the center. Doesn't really matter. I only have 2 at the top here, so this will be kind of like my center. And I'm just following the curve of my cake as I go. So I got that, and then in here I only need to draw 1 curve. If you're using a pencil, just go over the drizzle. Makes it a lot easier. Okay, now I just have to draw 3 here. So let's see, 1 and then another one. And I'm just going to give myself approximate lines to aim for. So let's do the same thing, following. And go back up. And same thing here. So now to add the sprinkles on the cake. On Moriah's original cake, they're just circular sprinkles, but I'm going to make mine hearts. So I'm just going to come right here at different directions. We're just going to draw these very roundish hearts. But it's up to you how you want to make yours. You can make your circles if you like. Just going to add some here and there at different facing different directions. And thank you for all your love, for all the Moriah Elizabeth inspired drawings I've done for you, like Georgie and Pickle the dinosaur. So hopefully you guys love this rainbow cake as much. And of course, thank you to Moriah for being so amazingly talented. Okay, so I got my hearts in, and then I decided to add some faces to these clouds just to make it extra cute. So if you want to, let's go ahead and add like a little curve right here. I just couldn't resist. A little smile, lashes. And then on this side, just a simple little dots for eyes and a curve for a smile. And then to finish it off, I'm going to come above each eye and just draw a little curve. So there, that is pretty much it for this rainbow cake inspired by Moriah Elizabeth. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope I've inspired you to draw this as well. Please subscribe and remember to turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.